Yeah, so we are going to talk about electric standing desk demo. So this is we have various options in electric desk. So this one is a standard model. The specifications, it can take 80 kg lifting capacity, and when it comes to the lowest height from the ground, 73 centimeter. This is the lowest height. So and it can go to another 50 centimeter, which is 123 centimeter. That is a 50 centimeter adjustment range. And not only that, it has it has a powerful motor which provides 30 millimeter per second speed. So normally what you get in the industry is around 20 millimeter or 25 millimeter. When you look at the columns, this has two columns, two stage columns. And when you look at the feet, we have a extremely a good design feet, and it's like very sturdy. What you get in the market is usually you will get a feet which is like hollow, and then on both the sides there will be a plastic cap on it. That is not going to provide the sturdiness. So we provide 4 tabletop colors, and the one which you see is a pine color, and also we have walnut and white, teak, etc. And then 4 different tabletop size. The one which you see is 1400 millimeter, which is 4.6 feet. However, we can provide 4 feet, 5.2 feet, 6 feet. So warranty wise, we provide 3-year warranty for the mechanical and 2-year warranty for the electrical and electronic components. So when we talk about these display panel, it has up and down buttons and 3 memory positions, and then time remainder options, LED display. What you get most of the times from the market is you will get only up and down buttons. So the 3 memory positions are used to basically to preset your favorite positions. We have been in the industry for 6 years, and we work with a lot of multinational companies. So we have done really well. And in terms of the quality, you will get the internationally, the same quality product which you will get in US or Europe. We might be a couple of bucks higher, but the quality will be extremely good. So yeah, thank you.